motorcycle coming through. So I picked this up yesterday. It's a 1998 Evo Sportster, and frame's been swapped. The Paco frame up and out.
Really up and out. Look how close.
Really up and out. It's like to the moon. Super low. The dude that I bought it from was super cool. He gave me like 12 over tubes to swap out because I think he can kind of notice that it was dragging a little low.
About to hit the ground?
Yeah, you don't want to hit a speed bump going too fast on this thing. So my plan was going to be to find a stock frame, hardtail that frame, and kind of make this look more like a Evo chop that we're all used to seeing. That's more of the style these days. This is more like early 2000s style. But when I was there yesterday, last night, he had mentioned that somebody had offered him a trade for a Shovelhead. And I
said a panhead.
Well, he said panhead, right. So I was like, if you could find that guy's contact information, I'd be very interested. So he did, he found the contact information. It's actually a cone shovel, but it's pretty nice. It's a hardtail, a lot of good parts on it, ratchet top, trans,
jockey shift.
Yeah, really nice seat setup, nice bars, front spool.
Show us a photo.
On the phone?
Yeah.
Un momento.
Ooh. That kind of looks like Steven's bike, his
Yeah,
Evo
the Evo.
Sportster. That looks nice, dude.
It does look nice.
You gotta go get it.
No paperwork. This has a title. But yeah.
We know some people.
Do I?
We can figure it out.
Figure it out. Or I'll just, ride. But yeah, so I would go down to San Jose right now with this and go trade, but our buddy JD just sent me a listing for an SL350, super clean, really cheap, up in Petaluma. So I'm gonna go get that, and then I got a date tonight at 7, so I gotta be back in town before that. But we're wheeling and dealing here at Mazimoto.
And I would do the trade for you, but I'm going to Arizona tonight.
Yeah, Yama's gonna be gone for a few days. Yeah, my plan was gonna be to have this like kind of transformed by the time Yama got back, but it would have been so funny if I just didn't tell you about the Shovelhead.
Dude,
like,
right?
Look what I did.
That would have been crazy.
But yeah, we hadn't done the deal yet, so we're kind of getting ahead of ourselves. But if you guys see this, that means that it went through. So hopefully you see this.
Start it up.
Yeah.
Let's hear it run.
Yeah.
Potato. Sure you want to get rid of it, dude? You look good on it.
The other day, I had like 2 customers with Evo Sportsters, both hardtailed and
Black?
Yeah, both black. And we're like on a ride, test driving the bikes, and Yama's like, You need to get one of those, man. You look good on that bike.
So he got one,
I took his advice.
but now it's leaving.
Can't say I didn't have it.
Bye. We'll fill you in when Mike gets his Shovelhead.
Yeah.
Fingers
hopefully.
crossed.
We'll see.
I think you're gonna get it.
Yeah, me too.
Yeah.
Hey guys, welcome back to Mazimoto. Today we're going to be working on my Shovelhead. It's a 1979 74 cubic inch Shovelhead that I traded for that Evo Sportster hardtail. I only had that thing for a couple of days. We're sorry about being a little late on our video this week, but Yama was out of town, and yeah, I'm just not very good at making YouTube by myself. I needed him back. Yama, come back.
You'll be better soon.
Yeah, I just need to get like a computer so I can edit them, not on my phone. But yeah, Yama's gonna finish up with that. Oh,
Let us know, because Mike and I have very different styles of filming. You guys really liked his 68 XLCH video, so that white bike. Let us know if you want videos from both of us, as well as videos together. Mike's thinking about potentially starting his own YouTube channel, so
would you guys support me?
let me know what you think. Yeah.
If not, let us know too. I won't take it too personally. You'll just get blocked. Can you block people on YouTube? I'll have like one subscriber. But that's okay. We're just doing this for fun. There she is. So yeah, Yama's just gonna finish up with the Triumph over here, and then he's gonna help me film the disassembly. And I've got about 30 minutes to disassemble this thing before I have to leave and go to the grocery store, because tonight is boys' night, and we're making chicky parm parm.
Good to go.
All right, we're just waiting for the cameraman to get done, because
Damn, fool.
he loves working on these newer Triumphs.
If you have one of these newer Triumphs, please don't bring them to us.
Why not?
Bring them to Monroe Motorcycles, because they do this on the daily.
Shout out to Monroe.
We don't touch these that much.
You're touching it right now.
I'm trying not to like diss it too much, you know?
Yeah.
But at the same time, it's not my...
It wasn't fun for him to work on.
You
Carbs are hard to take off.
I just like Harleys.
Carbs right there on a Harley. There's only one of them.
I just, particularly, if I can just work on knuckleheads for the rest of my life, I'd be happy.
All right, so the plan is, this is a fly right frame. I don't have the MSO for it. I'm not a big fan of it being stretched. It's like a couple inches up and out.
Sit on it, show us the stance.
Okay.
Okay.
No, I mean, it feels okay. I want more of a like reproduction wishbone frame, or if we're at the swap meet and I find an actual wishbone frame, that'd be even better. But
So that's why we're taking it apart.
yeah, I'm gonna be cleaning this up a little bit. There's some booger welds. They're gonna get cleaned up, and then I'm gonna try to take most of the rust off. Maybe get like $800. Maybe.
And if we don't
Put
sell
that
it at the
towards new
swap
frame.
meet, if anybody else wants this frame, hit us up if you're in California.
Oh, it's gonna sell at the swap meet.
But I'm just saying if it doesn't.
Okay, hit us up.
Hit us up.
It's probably already gone by the time you see this. Fingers crossed. We'll see. We'll see if you guys see.
All right.
All right.
So what's the plan?
So let's start disassembling. I gotta make some chicken parm. The plan is just to, I mean, this thing wasn't even bolted together. Like, look at this. Look at this. All this. This is not even threaded in.
And
There we go. No problem. It's pretty much already disassembled. So,
yeah, so we basically have to just take all the
30
stuff
minutes on
off.
the clock.
Should I actually set a timer?
It says 4:22. Let's just
It
say
says
it was
4:22. 4:20 when we started. I'm gonna.
I don't think we're gonna even need the full 30 minutes.
I'm probably not even gonna help you because you could probably do this all yourself.
Yeah. I mean, I'll ask you a question. I'm sure, or several questions. Yeah. Let's get going.
Should we just do a one take?
Yeah. Keep it rolling.
One take wonder.
I'm sure there's gonna be some funny moments, some memories that we made.
Again, if you haven't seen our website, go check out our merch. This one I made for Mike. It's a very one-off hoodie.
Except for Sean, right?
Because of the front there. No, so he has like the stock version.
Oh, I see. Stock.
Because you chose the front design.
And then that socket that fell off.
Oh, it's right here.
Thank you, sir.
There you go. So that's amazing, dude.
Yeah. Thanks for your help.
Of course.
Couldn't have done it without you.
Yeah, you too.
Literally, Yama found that Evo Chopper that I traded this for, so I could not have done it without him. Would not have happened.
It worked out perfect, and Mikey got his first big twin.
Yeah.
Big twin Mikey is what we call him now.
Yep. Get used to it.
So, you'll be seeing more of this project. You'll be seeing more of my Shovelhead project. Like I said, we're going to do a build-off.
Yep, it's on.
And Joey just told me that his gas tank is just about done. So next week we're going to be doing the reveal of his painted gas tank for my XLCH. So stay tuned for that. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you for subscribing. We're going to have, I've been saying this quite a bit, we're going to have new merch.
Yeah, and the comments are like honestly the best part. When you guys say something or like give us some advice, like we read every single comment. So thank you guys for that.
We really appreciate it.
Yeah.
And just seeing that like people are watching our videos just makes me so happy.
Yeah, the people that are like, hello from Portugal.
Yeah,
Like, no way,
that's
you know?
so cool. And we've been like getting stopped on the street quite a bit, and
Maybe
people
you have.
Blue has mostly somehow. Nobody stopped me.
It's the stash.
Yeah. But Blue's been getting stopped quite a bit saying that, you know, hey, I watch your videos.
It's the Blue Show.
Yeah, it is. And, you know, we appreciate you guys commenting and, like, telling us that you watch our videos in person. That feels so cool. So we're going to stop it here. And, again, thank you again for watching. And we're going to try and do our videos every Thursday. So turn on that notification bell. And, yeah. Peace out, everybody. Hey everybody, thanks for watching this video. Yama in the future here, wanting to let you know that if you want to see the rest of this video, Mike made his own YouTube channel. It's called Mazimoto Mike, so go ahead and look at that and subscribe to his channel. I'll have the link in the description below. The rest of this video, it's pretty funny and you should go check it out. It's going to be on his channel, so let us know what you think, and thanks again for everything. Have a good day.